In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play League of Legends on laptop without a mouse. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you would like to play League on your laptop without using an external USB mouse, I'm going to give you all of the options that you have to consider, and you will be able to play it fully. So the most convenient way to play any game mode available in League is going to be to simply use the trackpad. I know the trackpad isn't comfortable for most people, however, it is going to be the best option. Because League of Legends doesn't have great controller support, I'm not going to recommend this, so the trackpad is going to be the last remaining option that you have. You will be able to have a cursor to move around, control the camera, click on the items, click on the menus, and so on, and because it is built into your laptop, it is going to be entirely usable natively. So all that you have to do is open League of Legends, and you will have access to all of the commands by using the trackpad. Essentially, it's like using a mouse. Most modern laptops will have a large surface area and it is comfortable to use. You just have to drag your finger across the trackpad and you will be able to issue all sorts of commands towards the game. Now, if for whatever reason you want to play keyboard only, you can actually do this. Windows has a setting labeled mouse keys. So all that you have to do is enable it under accessibility, and by enabling mouse keys, you can use the numeric keypad to move your mouse. So all that you have to do after you enable this is to press these buttons. Essentially, it's as if you were moving your mouse up, down, to the left, to the right, and so on. So it is an option if you want to move your camera with only your keyboard. This way you don't even have to touch on the trackpad at all. But for most people, I would recommend using a combination of keyboard plus the trackpad. So you will be able to use your items, navigate through the menus, and do basically everything without having to purchase an external USB mouse. I hope I was able to help you on how to play LoL on laptop without a mouse. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.